There persists in South Armagh a body of allegations of serious misconduct by soldiers on the ground. And there persists the view that almost no complaints are satisfactorily resolved. We were filming at Crossmaglen's Health Centre by last-minute appointment. While Army helicopters flew above, a vehicle swiftly passed by. It turned out to be an IRA attack on one of the helicopters. It was the third helicopter attack in South Armagh in a year, the second hit. In the same period, there were 6 explosions or mortar attacks, 7 ammunition finds, and other shootings where 1 soldier and 1 policeman were killed. No one was arrested for any of these incidents. The RUC admit that the capacity of the IRA in South Armagh has not diminished in 20 years.